In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the three cases that Spigen makes for the brand new Google Pixel Fold: the Thin Fit, the Ultra Hybrid, and the Slim Armor Pro. And as always, if you guys want to pick up any of these cases, I will be putting a link in the video description. So let's get started. So first, we're going to start off with the Thin Fit. If you want to keep your phone somewhat protected while keeping it nice and thin, then you're most likely going to like this case. Alright, here is the case itself. It does come with some extra stickers and an instruction guide. This case is made of all plastic and it doesn't have any soft inner lining to help keep your phone from getting all scratched up by maybe some sand or something that might get into your pocket. But the outer portion of the case does feel like it's coated in some sort of soft type material. Alright, so let's put this on our phone. Kind of just pops into place just like that. So there it is on the phone. Feels nice in the hand, does not feel slippery, but it still does have that soft touch feel to it. Got your button cutouts on the side here. On the bottoms, we have our cutout for our charging port, our speaker, and our microphones. On the top, same thing. We do not have any coverage for the spine of the phone. On the back here, it does look like it has a slight raised edge to help protect your camera, which is always welcome. And if we look at the front here, as you can see, there is a nice raised edge all the way around your screen to help protect it in case you put your phone face down. So now let's open it up. Very easy to open up, which is nice. Now if we look at the inner portion of the screen, as you can see, there is no raised edge to help protect your inner screen. You may or may not like that, but it does feel good in the hand even when it's open. Closes very nice, and the case does not seem to be moving around, which is always good. Now let's see if this works with wireless charging. No problems there either. So now let's see how easily the case comes off the phone. The back portion does take some force to start to pop off, which is nice, and the front portion comes off a little bit, but it does require force again, and there is also a sticker that runs all the way across here that will help keep it in place. But I'm not using the sticker and everything seems to be working just fine. The case does not seem to be moving at all, which is awesome. So you can either use the sticker or not. It's up to you, but it seems to be working just fine without it. So not bad at all. If you want to offer your phone some protection while keeping it nice and slim, I would definitely recommend the Spigen Thin Fit, and I'm going to give it a thumbs up. Alright, and then here we have the Spigen Ultra Hybrid. Alright, this case also comes with some extra stickers and your instruction guide. Now right off the bat, from looking at this case, it does look like it's warped. If you look at the top here, look at how that curve kind of comes out. It doesn't look like it was properly molded, whereas if we look at the bottom, it's nice and curled in. So I don't have high hopes for this case already. This case is also made of a hard plastic. There is absolutely no rubber. So let's put this on our phone. All right, so there it is on the phone itself. It does feel nice in the hand. It's not slippery and it's not grippy. Now again, if we look at that top, you can now see how malformed that one portion on the top of the case is. Now if we look at the front of this case, as you can see again, it does have a nice raised edge to protect your screen. There is no edge protection. We also have our cutouts on the top of the phone and on the bottom. And we also have our cutouts for our volume rocker and power button. So if we look at the back here, it does show off the color of your phone because it's nice and clear. And it does seem to have a slight raised edge around your camera to help with protection. Now as far as fingerprints goes, I can't really tell any because my phone is more of a cream color. It does seem to pick up some fingerprints, but it doesn't seem to be too bad. So let's open up the case. There we go. And again, as you can see on the top there, that plastic piece is not formed correctly. I seem to have gotten a bad batch maybe. Hopefully they're not all like that, but it's definitely not good. And just like the Thin Fit, there is no raised edge for the inner portion of your screen either. So now let's see how easy it comes off of our phone. Not super easy, but it can be pushed off. Let's test out the other side. Yeah, that's even That seems to be a little better. It might be because of that deformed piece here, but it does seem to hold onto your phone pretty good, and I'm not using any stickers either. Doesn't seem to move around. Now, like I said before, hopefully the case that you get is not deformed like the one that I got. This does seem to be a pretty nice clear case. Let's see if it works with wireless charging. No problems there. So if you want to protect your phone while showing off the color, I would definitely recommend this, and I'm going to give this case a thumbs up. All right, and then here we have the Spigen Slim Armor Pro. This case does come with some extra stickers as well as a guide, and if you want the most protection that Spigen offers for the Google Pixel Fold, this is definitely one of the cases you're going to want to take a look at because it also covers the spine. So it does have a nice soft feel to it. It is a rigid case, but it also has rubber edges as well as some foam on the inner portion of the case to help protect your phone as well. And there you go. So your phone is protected all the way around except for your screen, but you can still use a tempered glass screen protector for that. If we look at the side here, as you can see, it's got a nice raised edge to help protect your screen. It's also got that nice spine protection. It's got a little texture on it, feels really good. On the back here, again, it's got that nice soft feel to it, and it also has a raised edge to help protect your cameras. We have our cutouts for our power and volume rockers. On the bottom, we do have our cutouts for our speaker, charging port, and microphones. It does add a little extra bulk to the phone, but again, you're adding protection for pretty much all the way around the phone. It does feel nice in the hand, and the texture on the spine feels nice as well. It's not slippery, it's got a little bit of grip to it, and the buttons easily accessible, and the fingerprint sensor works perfectly fine. So now let's open up the phone. Opens up really nice. And even with this case, there still isn't any raised edge to help protect your inner screen. But it does look like it offers some pretty good edge protection if you happen to drop your phone. Another really nice thing about the spine protection is it kind of gives it like a little backing that raises the phone up just ever so slightly to be more angled towards your face, which is nice. And it helps keep it from like sliding around as well. Now let's see if this works with wireless charging because it is a little thicker. And there's no problems there. So not bad at all. I really do like this case, and it does seem to protect your phone pretty well. So now let's see how easily the case comes off the phone. Not easily at all. Let's check out the front. The front portion seems to be on there pretty good. And there's also, again, that sticker you can use to help keep it in place. But it seems to be working just fine without the use of the stickers. So I'm definitely liking this case, and if you want the best protection that Spigen offers, I would definitely recommend this case, and I'm going to give it a thumbs up. So again, if you guys want to pick up any of these cases, I will be putting a link in the video description. And if you guys enjoyed the video, it would definitely help out the channel if you gave me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.